Hey guys, Jean Marlo Davis, your wealth creator, ex-IRS auditor, tax and financial strategist, coach, mentor, author, and friend. Yes, we're making it happen. We're making it happen. Listen, this all week is tax week. I'm sitting up here in my living room just doing some work, and I say, you know what? I got to upload the tax tip for today. I just been so busy. Please forgive me, but hey, it's before 5. You're getting it before 5, so we're doing good. Today I want to talk about documentation. As an ex-IRS auditor, the reason why a lot of people lose their bona fide tax deductions is because they don't keep timely and accurate records. A lot of times people try to go back and backdate, or let me go see if I can find that receipt. Let me go see if I can, oh my God, I know I might have, did 20,000 business miles. So basically what happens, they're trying to guesstimate the business miles and things of that nature. And so what today I want to just talk to you about: documentation beats conversation any day. And I want to make sure that you're documenting your expenses when it happens, okay? I trust a short pencil over a long memory any day. Documentation beats conversation. So one thing I want to read to you, I did a tax conference years ago, and here's some of the things I talked about documentation. Keep tax document for at least 7 years. Random audits have increased, and you want to make sure you're prepared for an audit. Even if your records are good and you're careful when filing taxes, no one is exempt. So you can stop asking me that. No one is exempt from an audit. Good record keeping, however, saves money. Some things like copies of business tax returns, regular tax returns, licenses, incorporation papers, and capital requirements should be preserved indefinitely. Keep any tax-related documents. Example, expense receipts, clients' 1099 forms, vehicle mileage logs for a minimum of 7 years. I'm talking about, make sure you document I have what we call I give it to my clients all the time. It's a monthly expense organizer form and a daily expense organizer form. You got QuickBooks out there today. You got so many different programs out there today that, it's easy. But if you're saying, Gene, hey, look, can you send me that monthly expense organizer form? All I want you to do is like this post, share this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and just inbox me your email, and I'll send you the daily expense form and the monthly expense form. You want to make sure, guys, that you're keeping these records, okay? Because what happens is, I'm going to take you with me. What happens is, that you're going to forget, okay? You're going to forget about the deductions that you have, that you legally, ethically, and morally qualify for, because, we got a lot of things going on in life. And so you got to make sure, I tell my clients to keep their paperwork for at least 7 years, because you never know when I want to get you out that glare. There you go. You never know when the IRS is going to require or request this information. And the IRS shun ignorance. I talked about this yesterday. Please make sure, if you don't know what you don't know, contact our office. Let us tell you about your rights. Let us make sure that you have the proper documentation together. Let's make sure that you understand what the Internal Revenue Service is asking for. So basically, that's one thing, that get all your tax receipts together. Make sure you stay organized. That's another thing that I see, that a lot of tax clients are not organized, and they know you can't come to my office, think you're going to drop off a box and think that I'm going to go through it. No, that's called bookkeeping. I don't do bookkeeping. Okay. What my goal is to make sure that my clients think like a prosecuting attorney. I don't know why I can't talk today. And what do I mean by that? You have the documentation you can prove. You got the bank statement. You got the business credit card. You got Exhibit A, Exhibit B. You're making sure that whatever you write down, if you're in Chicago in your monthly appointment book, then guess what? Those receipts should correspond with that. It should show where did you go, who, what, when, where, why. I went to this for a business meeting. It should show correspondence that you, of course, that you reached out to someone, letting them know that you're coming. If you have proof of an event, get the flyer, take a screen print, print it out, and have the flyer adjacent to the receipts and things of that nature, so that the Internal Revenue Service know that you are there for business, that you didn't go there for personal. It's just think like a prosecuting attorney. Have the receipts, organize them. If you have business dinner, who, what, when, where, and why. That should be on the expense form. Again, like I said, I have a monthly expense organizer form and a daily expense organizer form. If you need it, like this video, share this video, subscribe, make sure you subscribe, and hit the bell so you can get all the details, and then leave me a comment below saying, hey, look, can you send me those forms? And I'll send it directly to you. You want to make sure, guys, I'm telling you this. This is now, at the time of this recording, we're in July. 7 months, right, into the year. A lot of people still do not do month ends. What do I mean by that? You should know how much income you had coming in last month and how many expenses you have. You should have it itemized of how much you pay for, your sales, how much you made in sales, but, your marketing, your mileage, your meals, your entertainment, your travel, your expenses, whatever your expenses are, it should be listed. The income versus the expenses. Get the receipts together for each month. Each month, you should have something called month end. Every corporate company I know do a month end so they can know how much money they took in that month, how many losses that they have, and what they need to do to make sure that going the next month, that they're in the green, not the red. So guys, listen, think like a prosecuting attorney. Documentation equals representation. Make sure you keep your documents. And if you don't know, guys, go to irs.gov. You got publication 15. You got publication 463. You got travel, meals, and entertainment. You got a publication 1, tell you about your rights. You got so many publications that you can read directly from the IRS website to know your rights as a taxpayer, know what you can write off and what you can't write off, okay? My name is Jean Marlo Davis. I am a wealth creator, as well as I am your friend, and I'm helping you to lower your taxes, increase your finances, build generational wealth. Guys, listen, hey, look, I'm coming to you in all natural today, but listen, if you need help, just drop me a comment below. Click on the link, tifisllc.com, fill out the contact us form. Let us know what you're going through. If you're audited by the Internal Revenue Service, you need some guidance. Don't go in there trying to represent yourself if you don't know what you're talking about. Call our office, go to tifisllc.com. If you owe the IRS over $10K, guys, contact us so we can help you to lower your taxes and knock out 80% of that debt. My name is Jean Marlo Davis. I am a former IRS auditor with over 20 years tax and financial experience. I am a wealth creator, author, speaker, and coach, and I am your friend. Remember, guys, documentation beats conversation any day. Welcome. All week is tax week. So tomorrow on Thursday is the Jean Marlo Davis Show. Make sure you tune in at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right here on this channel. Thank you so much. Go to the website, get your help, and get your free consultation. I'll see you tomorrow on the Jean Marlo Davis Show. Take care.